I need to find the area of this section of the roof. It's a right triangle, but I don't know how to find the area of a right triangle.
I know how to help with that. A right triangle has one right angle. Watch what happens when you copy the right triangle, turn it, and match up the long sides. It makes a rectangle, with the long sides showing the diagonal.
Hey, that's cool!
Do you know how to find the area of the rectangle?
Yes, the legs of the triangle make the sides of the rectangle. So I can multiply 10 by 8 to find the area of the rectangle. 10 times 8 equals 80 square feet.
Right. The two sides of the triangle that are next to the right angle are called legs. If you lay the triangle down on one leg, that leg is called the base. The other leg is the height. The right triangle has the same base and height as the rectangle, but it only covers half the area.
Half of 80 square feet is 40 square feet.
Nice work, Sten. This is true for any right triangle. Two of the same right triangles can be used to make a rectangle with a base and height that are the same as the triangle's legs.
The area of a rectangle can be calculated by multiplying its base, which is the length, by its width, which is the height. The area of a right triangle can be calculated by multiplying 1/2 times the base, which is one of its legs, times the height, which is its other leg. Watch each rectangle to find out the area of each right triangle. In real-life situations, you may be asked to find the area of triangles. Being able to find the area of right triangles is useful for solving real-world problems. For example, when paving your walkway, you may need to know how many 1-foot tiles are needed for a corner section that has a base of 9 feet and a height of 6 feet. A rectangular section that measures 9 feet by 6 feet has an area of 54 square feet. The triangle has half that area, or 27 feet squared. Sometimes you have to find the area before you can find something else, like how many packages of seeds you need, or the total cost to complete a project. Sten's lawn has a big triangular bare patch. The legs of the right triangle measure 16 meters by 11 meters. If one package of grass seed has enough seeds to cover 30 square meters of lawn, how many packages does Sten need to buy? A rectangular space measuring 16 meters by 11 meters has an area of 176 square meters. The triangle has half that area. Its area is 88 square meters. One seed package covers 30 square meters. So, 3 packages will cover 90 square meters. 3 packages are enough to fix Sten's lawn.
Thanks, Chip. You're pretty good at figuring out figures.
A composite figure is made of 2 or more two-dimensional figures. This figure is made from a rectangle and a right triangle, but composite figures can be made from any combination of shapes. To find the area of the figure, first break apart or decompose the figure into a rectangle and right triangle. Now find the area of the rectangle. The rectangle has a length of 15 centimeters and a width of 5 centimeters. So, the area of the rectangle is 15 times 5, which is 75 square centimeters. Next, find the area of the right triangle. In a right triangle, one leg is the base and the other leg is the height. This right triangle has a base of 5 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. So, the area of the right triangle is 1/2 times 5 times 8, which is 20 square centimeters. Finally, add the areas to find the total area of the composite figure. The total area is 95 square centimeters. Calculate the area of the shape. You may use the calculator to help you.